Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our part 2 application video for computational mechanics and material science from University of Stuttgart. We will be filling the application step-by-step procedure. What are the things that you need to fulfill and what are the documents that you need to also submit in the application procedure. Then we will also submit in the application. This will be our part 2 application and today it will be released, and please make sure you apply before 15th so that you will also apply. Before that, if you're new to this channel, you don't know anything in this channel. In this channel we make videos about requirement analysis. In this requirement analysis we make usually assess of colleges in all domains, like example electrical engineering, computer science, mechanical engineering, etc. In that we will also get to know so many colleges, what are the colleges are there, what are the courses that we can study in that particular domain, and what are the documents that we need to fulfill, and what are the requirements that you need to have in order to get into admission. After having all this information, we also get the information about how to apply, when to apply. Then the deadline is met. We will also show how to apply step by step also by making a video. This will be here how to apply application videos. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session or you want me to apply for you, then you can easily contact me via email or become a YouTube member. If you become a YouTube member, then I'll be obliged to help you, or you can ask me directly, then I can also apply for you. Then without any delay, we'll get started with today's video, which will be part 2 of application video, where we talk about master degree program in commerce, computational mechanics. Here last time we filled in the type of study program is master program, master of science and commerce, and entrance qualification is first semester, and the further form of studies is consecutive master degree. So if you're confused why I have chosen consecutive master degree, you can just go or click on So if first degree, if you're selected, then it is an undergraduate study program without a previous degree. Okay, then consecutive master degree is nothing but postgraduate study that you're doing with a bachelor degree that you have. So usually a bachelor degree that we have eligible because we are applying for master degree program. That's the reason we have selected consecutive master degree program. So say example, if you're applying for a master degree program, so say example, if you are applying for the bachelor degree program, then you will select first degree because that will be your first degree. But here one hint, if you are selected master degree program at top, it doesn't even show you first degree. So that is the one hint that I can give. And second degree is nothing but if when you are applying for the same college after finishing one master degree in Germany, then you can select second degree. But if this is our first degree, we will be selecting consecutive master degree. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, you need to fill in your personal data, where you have to fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, place of birth, and nationality. And whatever I am filling here is everything is dummy data. Don't fill whatever I have filled, but I will just give you the information, what are the things that you need to fill. Please fill in accordingly. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, here you have to fill in your corresponding address of India, where you have to be mail to be delivered. Once you get an admission, they will also send you the admission letter or contact you via this particular email, and this particular address can be changed once you get an admission. Once you come to Germany, once you become an enrollment guy, and once you get a German address, then you can change accordingly. Then the mailing address will be changed to Germany address, then it will be contacted via German address. And here you just give your Indian address as of now because you will be living in India. Then higher entrance examination or higher entrance qualification. So this higher entrance qualification is nothing but whatever the things that you have done in order to pursue your bachelor's. If you remember, the higher entrance examination is nothing but the baseline, that whatever the exams, whatever the entrance qualification that you need to finish in order to get into the degree that you have finished. That's the reason in our India at least, you have to finish 12th standard across a nation in order to finish. In order to start the bachelor degree, you have to finish 12th standard. That's the reason I have selected school abroad, which will be general entrance qualification, which will be 12th standard, or name of the certificate I can also give it as pre-university college, because in Karnataka we call it as pre-university college, or in 12th general. Then date of the certificate when I got awarded is 2016. Average grade is 1.1. I have told you or showed you how to convert most of the time. You can go into TUM official grade conversion tool. This is the tool. In this tool you can give maximum grade as 100 and minimum passing grade was 35%, and the things that I got was 96. That's the reason I got 1.2 or 1.1. Then you put that average grade here. The name of the school that I studied is Marimala Papar University. Location is Mysore, India, Karnataka. This will be our higher education entrance qualification, because higher education entrance qualification is nothing but what is the base schooling that it got qualified to get your degree. Then the next is academic degree or academic background when you have finished your bachelor degree. So if, the information that you have finished or you have to give in university is your bachelor degree details. The country that you have done is India, and the university, if you can't select in the university drop down itself, usually it won't be there. If it is there, then it's good, then select. If it don't there, then please write it down in below, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, that is where I did it. Then give the official URL of VTU, bachelor degree certificate, and the form of studies that you did is first semester or first degree, because if you remember in first section I told you what is first degree. First degree is nothing but the first degree or first bachelor degree that you will doing. That's the reason we have selected first degree here. And electrical engineering, the course that I did, and I studied from winter semester 2016 to summer semester 2020, and I did 1 semester of internship and 8 total semester without taking a break. That's the reason I have completed in 4 years. We didn't had an intermediate exam culture. We only had the final exam, and the final exam grade is there, and passed on whole is also mentioned here. Again, in order to get the final grade, you usually give 10 and minimum passing grade is 5, and how much you have got is you have to give in CGPA, which will be 8.8. Then if you cannot, you will get like 1.7 or 1.8. This is the reason I have given 1.8 or 1.7. After filling the bachelor degree details, if you want to click on another degree program, then you can click on add and fill in your master degree that you have already done in India if you want. Otherwise, if the bachelor is the only one, then please click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then you need to fulfill or give the grade that you have got in bachelor degree certificate again, which will be grade 1.7, and the date of degree got completed is 15/10/2020. If you don't have completed, then give the actual grade. Keep empty date because you don't know when you will be finishing. And here you can just see the date is also not mandatory, so you can keep it out, because anyway you are still pursuing, you don't have a actual degree date when you will finish. Then additional details, if you have a quota of hardship cases or any of the places bound to reason for public interest, then you can choose. Otherwise, if you're well and fit and good, then don't select anything. Please click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's all about the filling the documents. What are the documents that you usually want in order to upload or in order to fulfill what are the information that you have given in order to prove those are correct. Please fill in this. At first, higher education entrance qualification. Here, please make sure you give 12th standard, and also if possible attach 12th and 10th both combined in one PDF and put it here, because usually they also always say please upload a document in single PDF. If you have multiple pages, you can't upload multiple documents, so please make sure you scan 12th and 10th in one PDF and upload, then it will be covered both. Then here the bachelor degree certificate. If you don't have bachelor degree certificate, as I told you in many other videos, you can get a prognosis certificate from your college saying that you are in 7th semester, you have done 7th semester and got this much of grade and the average, and your 8th semester examination is planned on this particular date, and it could finish or you would finish your degree in this particular time. So if this information has to be mentioned here, then you can upload that prognosis certificate, because when I got my admission for University of Stuttgart, I also finished only 6th semester and I applied when I was pursuing my 7th semester. That's the reason I am very well known how to, or if this college applies agrees the prognosis certificate. Then you can click on continue. After uploading the bachelor degree certificate, you have to fill in the transcript. So usually transcript will be another sheet of paper where you will have complete 8th semester or 7th semester, how much ever semester that you have done, whichever the courses that you have done, and each credit points. So please fill in your complete CGPA calculation, and this is the important thing, the CGPA calculation. Usually for us, the CGPA and SGPA calculation was in the transcript under or in the bachelor certificate back. That's the reason I have clubbed both transcript and bachelor degree certificate into one PDF and uploaded here. So usually CGPA cumulative or SGPA is calculated here, and that's the reason I have given for bachelor and transcript. But there is one more thing called grading system. Grading system is different to the CGPA and SGPA calculation. So CGPA SGPA calculation is nothing but SGPA for we had was semester cumulative grade points, and grading point is across all semester. But grading system is nothing but how they calculate each grade, how they calculate each credit points, everything that will be one thick of a PDF, which will be for sure mentioned in your any of your university that you have mentioned. For in VTU also, you can just go and check for VTU grading system PDF, then you will get it. Then please upload that particular PDF here. Then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to give general document like curriculum vitae, letter of motivation, where you have got why you are selecting this particular course and this particular college. Please make sure you start with the introduction, then another 2 paragraph of why you chose electrical engineering on this particular course, why you want to study, then achievement, then why University of Stuttgart interests you. Then you can fill in 2 page maximum, then write it and upload it here. Certificate of additional degree certificates. So if you have filled in any of the additional degree in the top section where you have done an Indian masters, then you can give it here. Otherwise, if you don't have anything, then you can just keep it also empty, because you can just see at top it is optional, it's not mandatory to have a additional degree finished. Then APS, citizens from the Republic of India have to submit APS, and it has to be mandatory before 15/2/2026. If you can't submit this, you can't submit the application. So please upload the APS while filling the application itself. You don't have any other choice. Then letter of recommendation. If you have gotten a letter of recommendation from other professors, please put it here. And here also, if you have 3 recommendation, you can't put 3 PDF separately. You have to scan all 3 recommendation into one PDF and upload it, and that PDF should not cross 5 MB. If it cross, also compress and put it. Then proof of English language proficiency would be IELTS, and we already know the IELTS proficiency was to be 6.5, so it should not be more than 6.5. so please make sure you have a IELTS 6.5 or B2 level, then upload. And here you can just see if English your native language and you completed your education has been complete English, please upload the official certificate confirming that language of instruction is English. This would be nothing but your medium of instruction certificate in English. So usually most of our education is done in English, or our bachelor degree is done in English. You can apply for a medium of instruction certificate in the college, they also accept that. So MOS certificate is accepted in this particular course for University of Stuttgart. Then you can click on continue. Then German language certificate, if you have, please give it. Otherwise, if you don't have, then please don't put it, because this is completely English language course, and in the requirement also we didn't have the German language requirement, and that's the reason it is saying optional here. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, you can just preview what are the information that you have given. Please check all the information that you have given is correct or wrong. Then you can click on verbally confirm. I confirm that University of Stuttgart can process my data and other things. Then you can click on send. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you apply before 15th of February. See you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.